Welcome to the top best. The best Cat Genie Sanisolution is probably one of the most innovative cat product I've ever reviewed. If you're tired of the daily grind of scooping and cleaning, then you're in for a treat. This self-cleaning cat box promises to revolutionize your cat care routine, offering a hands-off approach to maintaining a fresh and hygienic environment for your feline friend. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Number 5. Cat Genie 2+1 Combo Fresh Scent. This combo pack is designed for use with any model of Cat Genie AI and 120 self-washing cat boxes. It includes everything you need to keep your cat's litter box clean and fresh. The pack comes with 2 Sanisolution cartridges. They are essential for cleaning and sanitizing the cat box, ensuring a hygienic environment for your cat. It also includes 1 box of washable granules. These granules provide a comfortable and clean litter bed for your cat, and they are washable, making maintenance easy. With this combo, maintaining a clean litter box is simple. The system automatically cleans and sanitizes, saving you time and effort. The fresh scent will keep your home smelling clean and fresh. It's a convenient and effective solution for cat owners. What we like? This combo provides everything you need to get started with the Cat Genie system. It includes the essential Sanisolution and washable granules. If you're looking for a hassle-free, self-cleaning solution that eliminates scooping and odors, this is a great choice. What people say. We've had the Cat Genie 120 automatic litter box for 6 years and it is wonderful. We started with 1 cat and now have 2 and the cats use it every day. About once every 6 months you have to disassemble and clean, but disassembly is easy because construction is simple. With Cat Genie I have closed with the cat litter. Now, their toilet is a kind of washing machine, which eliminates feces and urine, which end up in the bathroom drain, after a disinfection treatment, washes the sand, in non-toxic material, and dries it, returning it clean and combed. Number 4. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This is the ultimate self-cleaning litter box. It uses motion sensors and crystal litter for easy cleanup. This innovative design makes cat care a breeze. The crystal litter absorbs liquid and dehydrates solid waste. The leak-proof disposable trays and low-tracking crystals keep your home clean and fresh. It's a cleaner, healthier solution. The integrated health counter monitors your cat's litter box usage. This helps you notice any irregularities that may signal possible health concerns. It's like having a built-in health check. PetSafe delivers vet and trainer-recommended solutions. They provide exceptional customer support to create joy for pets. They are committed to pet well-being. Since 1998, PetSafe has created safe and innovative products. They enhance pet lives and support the bond between pets and families. They are a brand you can trust. What we like? This litter box offers a self-cleaning experience with a hoodless design. The crystal litter effectively absorbs odors, keeping your home fresh. If you are concerned about your cat's health and want to monitor their litter box habits, this is a great option. What people say. The Cat Genie is a self-cleaning cat box that uses washable granules instead of litter. It flushes solid waste away and washes the granules. The unit is easy to set up and use. Number 3. Cat Genie Sanisolution Cartridge Fresh Scent. This cartridge is designed to keep your Cat Genie operating at its best. It ensures the machine functions smoothly, providing a clean environment for your cat. The cleaning solution in this cartridge uses the same ingredients that veterinarians use in their exam rooms. This ensures a high standard of cleanliness and sanitation. With cat activation, this cartridge can last for up to 240 washings. This provides long-lasting value and convenience for you and your cat. The system alerts you when the Sanisolution is running low. This feature helps you to maintain the cleaning process without interruption. This cartridge provides a fresh scent. It helps to keep your home smelling clean and pleasant. What we like? This cartridge ensures your Cat Genie continues to operate at its best. The formula is the same used by vets. If you want to maintain a clean and hygienic environment for your cat and home, this is a must-have. What people say. The cartridge is easy to use. Pull out the old, unwrap the new and drop it in. The 120 cartridge communicates with the CG wirelessly, so you don't need to worry about cleaning any contacts. Gravity and a keyed slot ensure that it goes in the right way, You can't get it to seat if it's reversed or upside down. And if it's not seated, the CG won't stop indicating out of Sanisolution, so it's basically foolproof. The new Sanisolution cartridges are less likely to fail. This product goes hand in glove with the Cat Genie. Without it, the equipment is useless, so it is vital that a ready supply is always available. Number 2. Cat Genie 120 Sanisolution SmartCartridge 3-pack. This is the Cat Genie 120 Sanisolution SmartCartridge. It's designed to keep your cat's environment clean and fresh. This 3-pack ensures you have plenty on hand. The Sanisolution comes in a fresh scent. It helps to eliminate odors and keep your home smelling clean. It's a convenient and effective solution. The SmartCartridge is easy to install. Simply replace the old one with a new one. It's a hassle-free way to maintain your Cat Genie. Each cartridge is designed to last. It provides weeks of cleaning and sanitizing power. You'll appreciate its long-lasting performance. With the Cat Genie 120 Sanisolution SmartCartridge, you can keep your home fresh. It's an essential part of the Cat Genie system. It helps maintain a clean and healthy environment for both you and your cat. What we like? This is a convenient 3-pack of the Sanisolution SmartCartridge. It offers a fresh scent and easy refills. If you have a Cat Genie and want to ensure you always have the cleaning solution on hand, this is a great choice. What people say? The cartridges themselves work exactly as they should. During the cleaning cycle, it covers odors well, and the scent hangs around a little afterward, maybe half an hour. These solutions work wonderfully. Number 1. Cat Genie Sanisolution Cartridge 3-pack, scent-free. This is a 3-pack of the Sanisolution cartridge. It is designed for use with the Cat Genie self-cleaning cat box. This cartridge helps keep the system clean and fresh. The Sanisolution is scent-free. This means it won't add any unwanted smells to your home. It effectively cleans without any added fragrances. The cartridge contains liquid contents. This liquid is the cleaning solution that is used in the Cat Genie system. It ensures a thorough and hygienic cleaning process. The cartridge is easy to install and replace. Simply insert it into the Cat Genie system when needed. It's a convenient way to maintain a clean cat box. By using this cartridge, you can keep your home smelling fresh. It helps eliminate odors and keeps your cat's area clean. It's a simple solution for a cleaner home. What we like? This 3-pack of Sanisolution is scent-free. It provides effective cleaning for your Cat Genie. If you are sensitive to scents or prefer an unscented option, this is perfect for you. What people say? Super easy to use. Just plug and play. Works with Cat Genie. Scent options is a good addition. The cartridges last a couple of months. The Cat Genie won't work if you don't have good cartridges. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.